I wake up 5 o'clock in the morning, come up here, pick 80 pounds, carry down a yard, and then put on my clothes and go work.
This man have a 9 to 5.
I'm the administrative officer at Foodland Parish Library. Born in our community named Breastwork.
After hurricane, pepper there 5,000. Not even one pepper we not for sell. Library stick with everything.
Scotch bonnet.
So these are just
Strictly Scotch bonnet.
Scotches.
Strictly yellow Scotch bonnet. I love pepper.
Yeah.
From a little bit I love pepper. But I come here pepper farming for produce pepper to some of the biggest companies, them Grace, Walker's Wood. If rain fall, you can't pick pepper. Because first thing, when you pick pepper and rain fall, the life of the pepper gets shorter.
This right here is vital in our culture. When you talk about seasoning your meat, whether it be for selling or for just home cooked meals, this right here, super vital. And we're in the world right now. Right now, pepper farm. Scotch bonnet pepper farm. Yes, man.
Yeah, man, this is my seaweed fertilizer.
Organic.
Yeah, organic.
Organic. I am in a farming community right now in Portland. We're up in the hills. Well, we're heading up in the hills. We're already up in the hills, but we're going up more up in the hills here in Portland. There with Roski Mark there and here at Gaza. We're heading up in the hills. We're up in a Tom Soap. For whoever know this community, I don't know say how this community is a farming community. Bro, say almost everybody up here.
Everybody up here. One thing.
Yo, crazy vibes. I'll just start the journey where I walk to the farm. Again, want to know this vibe. We love the adventure, and we're there for the experience of going on the farm today. We're not going to see what I go on and reach up there, but this is how the journey starts. Up there, where I go. Yeah, man. See, I scale this.
Yeah, I scale this. I will look some pepper. I have my file, my shit there, so.
Wow.
I have my chemical in them bag and something and everything, you see me?
Oh, nice. We never reach now up on the journey yet, and we are traversed through the community and just look. It's tons of what am I? Dasheen or Cocoa?
Dasheen.
Oh, and we hear that this community is actually probably one of the biggest supplier of Dasheen. Probably
Yeah, one
off. Probably not the biggest, but one off.
One off, yeah.
Tons of Dasheens here in Tom Soap. Have a whole heap of Dasheen over there, so tons of trees, some big papaya, some pine, and a whole heap of chocolate tree. Loads of chocolate tree. This is a farming community, as I was saying. We take a chat, we go right up in the hills today. Some harvesting I go on over there. All feet up on the machine. So I go on? Yeah, man.
If you have space for that, if you have space for it, one full of space, brother. See, I'm going to buy the feed for them to breed up. So you want them bottom side, I get different feed. You want the bottom side, I will breed up. And the one over top on the first top 5, 3, yeah.
So nice.
1, 2 dozen, 1 dozen, and then it's a grow. No fitness.
Out I eat it. Happy season are coming, you know. But normally, them would get a van. Oh, you said the van thing go again? Normally it's a van. I'm going to make him explain it too now.
Alright, so the van, the farmer have one van and drive on the road there, sea road there, around there so. He drive on the road at morning time. He left out like 7 o'clock. So if you don't catch the van at 7 o'clock at morning time, you have to walk.
That have to go up in the farm?
No other vehicle, 2 vehicles alone come up here.
Oh, wow.
Van. No vehicle come right there so. Yeah, but only 2 vans go road on the road there.
Oh, as you can see truck, vehicle can't come here so. As I say, a specific vehicle alone have to come here so. What's that, a spring this?
Yeah, but you see all that so. pretty waterfalls at a certain time of year.
Water gush all through them part.
Yeah.
The water pretty and clean, man. Whoa. Oh, which part this a come from?
More can tell you.
Which part this a come from, Gaza? We up in the mountain.
You see, when you go to the end of the water, you pump up from one place underground.
Oh.
So it's not really I just one head and it just run, come down.
Wow. Hey, so we can drink it?
Yes, man, but come up, Pastor.
Come up at top. Alright. I have to drink some of that spring water there. Yeah, man. We up in the mountain top. That I come from.
Yeah.
Some of the best water. Yeah. True.
It tastes different from when I drink the pipe water.
Yeah. How much part that there? Yo, see the vibes and join. Eh? What is this? Oh, I head inside now. If you get some of that water and drink some. So I go on. Yo, I don't even know how to explain it. No man, we need a wackle, man. Virgin? Whoa!
Alright, this is cool as the water then?
Cool! And nice! Yo! We take one more.
As cool as the water.
Whoa. That water is so refreshing. Yo! And it's pretty early in the morning, same probably about 2:08 now, probably after 7 going to 8. Yeah. And that is super cool, like ice dip on it. Whoa! Now man, I have to go see if I can get a buckle, man. No sir, as natural as it get. Yeah man, not get no better than that. And we're heading up in the hills. Hold on, them are a wild bush, man. Wild cocoa. Catch your nose. Eh. Whoa.
Then use that one and cook.
Eh?
And boil the pig.
Oh, them boil use that one?
Yes, boil the pig.
Okay.
Yeah. When you want to see if I'm feeding?
Boil them gag.
Yeah.
Them are full them belly more.
And water grass.
Mmm.
These are the real pig man a little bit, man.
Okay, so yeah, you have to get a touch on the animal farming world.
Yeah.
For real.
We get a touch on everything. My father usually. Yeah, but
Yeah, man.
my father did something there. My father did buy a land. Out of reach. That's one farming community.
Out of reach? Yeah.
And he usually plant banana and something. So I'm younger.
Yeah. You there?
Yeah.
True. True.
And my grandfather is a take it on summer. I care for the farm.
So you've been growing up in this farming world?
I'm growing up farming.
Wow.
But before that, turned more from farming and a little bit still. Like he's on the punishment. He used farming as a means of punishment.
Oh.
Yeah. Like,
And that kind of change you.
yeah, that kind of change.
Your mind a little bit.
Yeah.
These are some Dasheen. Dasheen this now? Oh, we not Dasheen world. Right up on the hill. Straight up. Just pure Dasheen. Yeah man.
Pepper them in just all I have to look on the pepper.
So all of these were straight pepper?
Yeah.
All of them places?
Pepper.
Melissa mash up here?
Yeah, Melissa mash up.
So Mark say back in the days, you know, him grew up in that old farming era amongst him family and everybody, but you know, him father usually use it as a way for like a punishment thing at the same time. So it kinda turned him a little bit away from it, but you don't know.
No man, you turn me whole heap away from it.
You want a whole heap on a little bit?
Yeah, I know a little bit. Me at computer.
Yo.
Me going me do opposite of farm. Me going to office. Me go do computer.
Oh.
IT, me go do.
Wow. Right now we're gonna take it through.
And when me get me young youth, the first youth me get a summer rich back in the farm. Because I think about me to buy one car for run taxi at evening time to make a extra money because the pay alone never could maintain a farm.
So that was the main reason why you go back in the farming?
Yeah,
Your son?
Yeah.
Yeah. Ah, son or daughter?
Son.
Okay, okay.
Me go out, me think about ways of to make money
Yeah?
and ways of make money by spending least amount of money.
Okay.
And farming, at the time,
Yeah.
farming was the easiest way to make a money.
True.
But honestly, and the easiest way to make money.
It's not the
you have to
easiest
spend
way.
money. No, you have to
True.
spend money.
True. True.
You have to spend money. Yes. Yeah. I see them now. A insect suck them out. Even I get chemical spray on it to kill them. Your crop now come to nothing.
Wow. So is there an alternative to like certain chemicals? You can use certain like natural chemicals or
Alright. People always tell me some ways of to do it.
yeah.
Probably can work on one or two crop. Oh.
What did that say burn up?
No, run next time. Me not working, sir.
Alright, then alright, man. Then I have 6 months.
Watch out, man. Pay Dasheen. Man. Look there, man.
Then take what? 6 to 9 months already.
6 to 9.
And the land rich. Then I take to wait 9 months.
So the more sun them Dasheen them get. At the faster.
But they don't get time to develop.
Straight Dasheen. Look them, man. Look them, man. Whoa. Land pantapalana Dasheen.
Hey, pumpkin.
Pumpkin. Are you mean, man? Watch out, man. Pumpkin there. Wow. Tons of pumpkin in the place.
I take a seed.
There's a chop in a two office.
Ripe up one.
I didn't see that good enough for us.
They're not good.
You know good? You see them?
The pumpkin blighted, so you never get to pull it the right way. So you see them still not mature. Right?
Okay.
Some disturbed root.
Pumpkin are run up and down in them place at Oliver. Dasheen Papa up there.
Right, you eat out most I see them. So me left you up to see it. I never want to catch it. Oh yeah.
That's it. Pumpkin I go have a tree.
Yeah.
Yo. See what go on there? Yeah, man.
Picky Gaza?
No, not so kind of picky, sir. I'm look on you.
Look on it.
I'm not trying to give them, man. Oh, you're good. Okay.
So what go on? That's a vibe. Yeah, that guava tree that big, you know, man. Alright, guava tree, you know, man.
Actually, my farm spoil. My phone press to spoil up, daddy. It's pretty one time.
Yo.
When I farm and then, what? Now go to slow.
I got this.
I broke a phone.
What used to there, sir? Somebody used to live there, sir?
No, I don't live. I like storeroom for the farm product.
The farm produce.
They usually have
pig, goat, all of them something up there, so. Cow, everything.
Mm.
So that's how they store them thing them.
Okay. See, can see we have all our old vintage scale, yeah. So you know, say up here, weighing and them thing that used to go on.
Yeah.
Yeah. Look on the view over there, someone. Oh my God, way back over them side. Almighty. Hey, someone. The journey continues. Yeah.
Journey continues to do.
Yeah, man. Boy, I wish someone could actually pull up on them experience here with me for actually get that whole exposure and that experience, as I say. Treading them hills, yeah. Yeah, it's just crazy. Just an amazing feeling, just a breath of fresh air. Yeah, man, just a breath of fresh air. It's just natural, cool, country, fresh breeze for your intake. Yeah, man, see there? Open there. Coming up on the banana, it is. Oh, jeez and peas. Look on this, man. Yo.
Over there. Coffee.
Yo. Yeah. One eye jungle chain. Only two of them, you say?
Only two of them come.
Only two of them take on the journey. When you see the journey we have to try to come up there. Just imagine all of these stones on the ground and only two vehicles alone actually come up there. So. Yo, the regular vehicle can't come up there. So. Amazing. See that? Yeah, man. This are going on, you know, up in the hills. Pumpkin?
Pumpkin and coconut milk that I go on.
Oh.
Put some bulgur rice in that now and go on.
Oh man, super healthy. With some natural coconut.
Watch out some vegetable and okra and tomato, the natural, the little small one.
Oh, yeah. What you call them tomato again?
No, they're small. Them say the one are the real ones.
And a plummy though?
No, plummy.
And a plummy then?
Yeah.
So that's the vibe. We just come up and stop and we see some food I cook over there. So some natural ital food. These are ital. Natural, straight from out of the bush. So crazy vibes. See how the amazing experience. So get up in them place. It's just out of this world. And I tell you some pumpkin in the pot. And some coconut juice. Cheese and peas and bulgur rice. No long when I see this.
It's soak overnight.
Oh. Oh, bulgur. Yo, cheese and peas. Wow. Yo. Food, man.
Yeah, me I tell you, creative cooking.
Strictly ital.
Creative
in the
cooking.
bush.
Them one the food. No
No
normal
meat.
food. You
No
know, no
meat.
normal rice and peas. Something creative. Or Spanish niggas. Them.
Them cook.
Yeah.
Yo. You know, long when I see bulgur, and that shit is soak. Well soaked overnight, him say. And that just got in a pot with pure coconut milk, pumpkin, tons of okra, tons of vegetable, tons of herbs and spices. Man, oh my God. Everything are from the bush.
Yeah.
Everything are from the bush. Wow. So that little smooth section and I see right over there, so it's just pure Dasheen. And that go right up, yeah?
Yeah, right up.
Right up. Just pure Dasheen. We're going to get a little closer, though.
Yeah, we're going to
we're going to pass it a little closer. We're there a little closer to the Dasheen farm now. This is actually a popular spot for Dasheen farmers. Tons and tons of Dasheen. Land pan land out of Dasheen. Look them on.
It's about 10,000 or more Dasheen. There right there, sir. 10,000 or more.
Wow.
See it over there again. Dasheen.
On the next side too. Wow.
Alright, so after the hurricane, I come up there, sir. You can see the wall of this are clear. You see what them tree that everything you can see straight across.
One river there. Rio Grande.
So that straight over there, Rio Grande.
Yeah, down a bar
Under the cloud, under the side, see sun there.
Yeah, I know, man.
Yeah.
Okay,
I'm bar there, lad. Yeah, down a bar there.
nice.
You see how far there, see that?
Look there, man. And you could have seen, you can just imagine how a place, bush up back.
Yeah, green.
So can just imagine shortly after hurricane.
Yeah, you can imagine
Mm.
some place I never see before.
Oh my God.
Look over there, look on the tree. They notice the edge of the fire.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
It's a pear tree. When it start beer, they usually pick pear for them. Carry got a town go sell at Coronation Market.
The pear tree, yeah.
Yeah, Melissa blow it up. But
Jeez,
still a pear pony, a pear pony.
The root live same way.
Yeah, pear the pony.
Yeah, man. Them still get nutrients from out the root same way. See there? All the pear and things still left on it. Them are supposed to, them pear are supposed to nice though.
Yeah,
How can I pear them?
Hey, you mean no, me can't tell. Yo, I want to get a joke. Yeah, them are dry down. I really follow them. Yeah. See if they're looking up. Remember, let me tell you, at the same time.
Look them, man.
Alright, them are rifle.
Dasheen, man. Yo, we are pretty, man. Yo.
Let's see if you want no view. Think you have no view yet? You want to go up there, so. And just look down.
And those are what? Up in this up. I mean, the plantain.
Plantain.
Banana and plantain mix. Look them, man.
Dasheen over this again. And plantain and something. Pepper over there too.
Jesus. This. Whoa.
Dasheen there again.
Land of Dasheen. Some olive corn, yeah. Corn. There. Aki tree.
See, in plants and something too.
Scallion.
Yeah.
Scallion.
And the scallion they're natural. No fertilizer, no nothing go upon them. Yeah, me I said the scallion they're natural. No fertilizer, no nothing go upon them. You see how them big and pretty?
Natural scallion.
Natural scallion.
Wow.
The land fat and nice.
Yeah, man. Wow. Wow. This is the pepper field.
Yeah, this is a pepper field. More get bigger and better still, but right now I just with it.
Brother, all if I did 2-3 come see Virgin, me have it. Oh God, man.
A pepper field this one.
Wow.
Yeah, then go on there.
So we reach on the spot and we pass at tons of stuff like Dasheen, you name it. Crazy amount of food on the land, and we just reach on the pepper farm. We're there for see some harvesting today. Oh yeah, I don't know how excited me be when it comes to food and land and farm and them thing there. Crazy vibes, man. Yes, man. Again.
Yeah, man, this is my seaweed fertilizer. So what we do now is we go to seaside because we're close to seaside. So go get some seaweed and we soak in a water for a month or more, and then we just dilute that and spray upon the plant. And it good for root development, blossoming, and things like that. Rich in all kind of nutrients.
Wow. And this is seaweed.
Yeah, seaweed.
Oh. Wow.
Stink.
Yeah, man, it have a strong odor.
Yeah, it's strong.
But you know what, them are the thing where we actually, them are the proper thing them of actually use. So this is basically organic.
Yeah, organic.
Organic. Oh, you said the process go again?
Alright, so we do know, you get a container, get some seaweed, but when you get the seaweed, you have to wash off the seaweed. Because the salt. It's dangerous to the plant. It burn you. So you get the salt, wash off it, and then put in the water. Put in a drum and soak it water for like a month. The longer, the better.
Oh.
But you can start using it after a month. Insect do them.
So insect.
Yeah, insect do them. So,
When an insect?
one insect then called mite.
Mite. Oh.
so it might damage the pepper tree them. So
Just to pepper alone, or any other else?
me
thing?
know me a pepper farmer. Me young
Yeah,
can
so
tell
you,
about
so,
pepper.
so you mainly know about the
Yeah,
pepper.
about
But it
pepper.
damage the pepper wicked.
Yeah, it damage the pepper. See there? Curl up the leaf them and then it make the peppers them get smaller. Look on this.
But then they will all funny and make the pepper and get smaller to see how it.
Yeah, me I broke off the damage leaf them. That me I go do. I left the one them will come back.
And then they pop up.
The one
Yeah,
on
so
this
Mark come come and peer
Yeah,
patch,
I'm just at them say first time.
You prefer that one than the one down so pass?
Honestly,
First
first me I eat pear.
Eh?
First, like last year, me think last year, like
What you mean for say I eat pear?
for last year, the first time I eat pear. Hungry lick me up
I
them
eat
one.
them something there.
Me not eat them.
What mean last year? Yo, no. Yo, you know what
Hungry lick me up them one. No day night farm up them one. Hungry lick me man I pear alone. Me see man me have a test pear. And friend that me not tap me and pear.
As in last year, 2025?
Last year. When we just start, when we just smoke and
Nice man.
That's crazy.
From that man say Gaza.
Oh, that's crazy. But the last year, the first one actually, I eat pear. I eat pear from your mom one. Yo, that's crazy. We're in at the pepper farm right now. And that a nice pear tree right there. So, and this is the nice and cool. Mark over there, so great Gaza there. So the pepper farm down there. So tons of Dasheen over there. So we're going to take a walk through this pepper farm. And so we're going to, that's actually my first time in. And I'll do some spraying and thing. Okay, nice. Oh, nice. Some weed and thing. First time inside a natural pepper farm, and they have for the experience, you know. Yeah, man.
Courage.
The courage.
See there. This touch any part of your skin, not the tough part of your skin, but if you touch any part of them
Scratch it.
like
So hold on, you have different type of courage.
You have different type.
This is the one you sell called Callaloo.
Yeah, Callaloo. And
I see the bark right there.
Hope tell me say you can eat.
What?
Yeah. Best, one of the best grass feed.
A lie.
Tells you a creative cooking man, man.
Whoa.
If
And
this,
if you touch your crotch out your blow.
yo, if this cut, I mean, if you tell you, brother, more time then I feel like a weed, man, and me not see it and it just touch my skin or something. And like, yo, come like about, I come like an ancestor me put me on. Pepper one of the most delicate crop when me know. Pepper, if rain fall too long, the next day I have to come spray for fungus. Because fungus, right now I think me a fungus in my field. Smoker can come near pepper field.
Smoker?
Yeah. Because it get a virus named mosaic virus.
So they smoke like weed smoker?
Weed,
Cigarette,
tobacco smoker.
Okay. Whoa, I never know.
Yeah, you have mosaic virus, you have one next virus named jerry curl. I don't know how the jerry curl come about.
Eh?
You say nothing go so.
That smoker, me have one of the biggest pepper field already.
Yeah, they have one of the biggest pepper field for sure.
For real?
Every day.
Whoa.
Pepper now, insect.
Yeah.
If you have mite, you have aphids, you have a whole heap of different insects, caterpillars, slug, all kind of something attack your pepper field.
Wow.
You see me? So it's delicate bad man.
So pepper is a main crop.
Yes, let me
Main
tell
and only?
me I try for, me a few plant to field, me decide say me I go plant some planting.
Okay, but your main?
But right now, that's my main crop.
True.
The goal, me come to the pepper farming, me love pepper.
Yeah.
From a little bit, me love pepper. But me come to pepper farming for produce pepper to some of the biggest companies, them Grace, Walker's Wood, Spiritual Hill. Them companies, me come in there for produce too. So, me need for...
That's the aim?
That's the aim.
Wow.
You see me? So, me I go expand the field.
That still,
Yeah, that's the aim, man.
Yeah, man. Amazing.
Hard work, and plus, majority of the time, I alone do it, or some of the time I get link from my friend Gaza, or I have my little brother, well, come through, and I have a next friend named Nico.
True.
Them come through and help me out in the farm, but on a regular day, I'm mostly there in the farm.
Why pepper though?
I just love pepper from a little bit.
As in you love it like you eat it? So
Like me
so
eat
you're
it.
a lover of
I
pepper?
love our pepper from a little
Nice.
bit. From a little bit, I love pepper, and it's so be that pepper I one of the most, when I say no, all year round, you can sell pepper.
The tree? Once you plant it one time, that's it. You get pepper right here, right. You
Yeah.
have to cut down or nothing.
No, you have to cut it down after a while. You not have to cut it down.
Mm.
You can get up to 3 years with it, but the more beer, or the smaller they get.
Oh.
You see me?
Gotcha.
So, where them recommend say after a year,
Or
you
2
cut it
months.
down. You can go
After a
2
year. So
after a year. After a
Mm.
year, you cut it down and start over back again.
Okay.
So, but what me I do now is that I want to make sure that I plant out pepper. So, when them set here, gone down, reach a year, me still suppose I can produce pepper same way.
True. What I want to ask, you say the longer the tree up, right? After you reap, the smaller them get.
Yeah, smaller than it.
Is it that take away from the flavor also, or just smaller the pepper?
Just smaller than get. Let me tell you what take away from the flavor. You see, if the sucking inside them.
Like the mite and them.
Yeah, mite and them there. So yes, when they start them deform the pepper them, and then when they deform the pepper them, then kill the flavor.
Yeah.
You're not get no flavor in it.
Okay.
See that? Watch a fungus. Fungus take this up. This basically dead, you know.
And it have pepper on it?
Yeah, it dead. If you look on the pepper, them look how they small. They not develop. You see me? They not develop.
And the color of the leaf too.
It color the leaf to that. Look
Yellow.
Yellow.
Basically burn out.
This dead. This dead. Me can't recover that. That dead. This our fungus named Phytophthora. I learned about this about 2 years ago. So agronomist come to the field, go and check my field for me.
Nice.
And tell me what's going on.
Did you go to school for plant pepper?
No, I go to school
Just natural?
I go to school for something. IT.
IT?
Yeah.
So you're a tech savvy man?
Yeah, me work at
I feel it.
me do work at Foodland Parish Library as something. Me are the administrative officer at Foodland Parish Library.
Yeah, amazing.
Yeah, but
Amazing.
me come in farming because as me tell you, me wanted for a second income.
True.
And for spend the least amount of money for make the money.
True.
So me come in farming and from reach night then time there, me fall in love with it.
Wow.
Yeah man.
Talking about that though, did you start it off with a lot of capital?
No.
True.
Little bit of capital me start off with.
And you start off with pepper, right?
Yes. Me never depend the lanyard. And me depend the lanyard about 2 years now. Before that me start off in a bamboo infested land and never know nothing at all about pepper. Nothing. What me tell you, nothing at all. I don't know nothing about chemicals. I don't know nothing about weed control. Nothing. One time one man tell me say, in that time, one man tell me say, me can use, he recommend one chemical for use to control the weed. And he say, he not gonna burn the pepper them. No, me never know say, if like say if I spray upon the pepper, spray upon the weed and little bit catch the pepper them, it now kill the pepper tree. Now me think say me could spray upon the pepper tree and it now kill the pepper tree. So me just there just a spray like a open land me a spray through pepper, everything I get spray.
Wow.
Yeah man, 2 days, 3 days after man, me
Gone.
feel flat.
Gone.
Yeah, so me just give up on it sir.
Wow.
And then me come here and me start again.
So you basically learn along the way.
Every year,
Yeah.
me feel, me not gonna tell a lie, me feel every year. Every year me feel, me not meet the objective what me want to meet, me feel every year, but me learn along the way.
And I'm glad to say you just not give up.
No, you can't give up, brother. You can't give up, I
Yo.
swear. I swear, you can't give up. Over here, some people then, this is the problem with it now. You see, because me have my 9 to 5, and up here is a rainfall every day. So weed, as a quint,
Get a lot of rain.
yeah, as a quint, it plays some bush up.
Pepper there, so
Yeah, that me I tell you, the pepper there, someone. See,
me blow.
Yeah,
I go
yeah, that me tell you, man. See that? Me have pepper here, someone. Me have pepper, whole of here, so come down and have pepper in it.
Talking about the rain though, what's the ideal weather for pepper? What's the ideal?
Pepper don't like a lot of rain and it don't like a lot of sun. So, boy, more sunny. More sunny. Yeah, more sunny.
The better.
Yeah, better.
What's the weather like here in a Portland?
The Portland, Tom's up. Remember the Portland was a rainy community.
Yeah.
Tom's up.
Portland raining?
Look, if you look on the sky now, you can see say, yo, over the side. See the over the side? We're gonna get some rain.
So So you normally get rain up here often.
Often. Every day, basically.
Wow.
If you not get in a day, I get in a night. But you must get rain. It kind of good for the young plant them though.
Yeah, coming up.
Yeah, it good for young plant them, but if you mature plant them,
Yeah.
fungus will kill them.
What are some of your biggest challenges on the farm? I know you tell me about the mite, them already and thing, but what are tell me some of your challenges them what you have regarding farming and especially pepper?
Biggest challenge, to tell you the truth, this weed.
Just weed.
That's the biggest challenge.
Biggest challenge.
Yes,
just
because with weed now, weed carry insect. So if you clean your field, less insect you have in your field.
Wow.
You see me? So weed the biggest problem. As me tell you, so I just show you the field. What they the field that they clean out. You see me? And then as I look, it gone back to square one. So weed, yeah. And then because me not dep on the field every day when me can say, alright, then today me I do this, tomorrow me do that, the next day me do that. Me have to do everything one day.
And the reason being, this man have a 9 to 5 and
Yeah.
the man have a nice hill of pepper farm. So when you hear him saying that up on the field every day, yo, can't just imagine the journey where him have to take to come up way up in the hills, yeah, so. And remember, him have a 9 to 5. Yo, that is crazy.
7 days a week.
Brother.
7 days a week.
Where you are, the brother. Oh.
7 days a week you have to dep on the grind.
On the pepper, them have some nice peppers. Oh, I do some harvesting today. Though.
Yeah, me I do some harvesting. A customer on 20 pounds of pepper. A customer says, I should call him to 20 pounds.
I see some harvesting too.
And me have,
Crazy vibes.
me pick about 80 pounds yesterday. Yesterday me pick 80 pounds. Me wake up 5 o'clock in the morning, come up here, pick 80 pounds, carry down on my yard, and then put on my clothes and go work.
Yo.
Yeah, bro, you have to do. Yo, one morning, me come here and say, alright, so me a plant some pepper them one morning, so me have a brethren say, alright, him a go a bush. 5 o'clock in the morning, right? So, me say, alright then, me a can link him, wake up 5 o'clock, get up from side of my girl, come say, yo, me a go link the brother, if we go a bush, go do some planting and something. When me come down there, the first thing me see, I want black puss run across the road.
Puss?
Yeah, one black puss. Not either the black puss or the old, but the first thing, one out of two. But when the black puss run across the road, kinda coward. No, the owl me hear first. When me hear the owl, me get me coward still, but me go down there because me say, me and my brethren I go. Call the man, me not hear the man. When me look, me see a black puss run across the place. Yeah, me say, you know what? I just take my time, go back on me yard, go lay down, and I tightest me ever hug move, man. Because me start pre on the journey, you know, because then time there, me never walk to a film farm here. They have a next shortcut can walk to, and the shortcut they more darker. In a day.
Not the part of walk to.
No, you have a next part. In a day, it's dark. So you can imagine 5 o'clock in the morning.
Whoa.
And then the part one, the owl go tell me, say, yo, go back in your bed, man. Just go straight back in my bed, man. Straight back in my bed.
What type of pepper you plant?
Scotch bonnet.
So these are just
Strictly Scotch bonnet. Strictly yellow Scotch bonnet.
Oh, these are the yellow Scotches?
Yeah. You have the red.
So you have different varieties?
You have red Scotch bonnet and you have the yellow. Red and yellow.
I know some things say, it color just change on the tree, you know?
No.
Okay.
Strictly yellow.
So these are the yellow ones?
Yeah, let me see. Alright, so you have two ways to know them. I don't want to kind of deform, but you notice you have the cup and saucer and say that part here.
Oh.
Yeah.
So so you hold it like this, you see what I'm
yeah, see
about. Nice.
But here what the problem now, as I tell you, so with the mite and them something that then kind of, when they get affected by them, then change the shape of the pepper them.
But that not affect like the taste or nothing though.
Summertime. If you get really affected, it affect the taste. Then kind of get, because I want to go me always taste my pepper them.
Always taste them?
Yeah.
Nice.
Me don't want the next month tell me say my pepper they not hot, so me taste my pepper them first.
And these are super hot.
Yeah.
These are super hot.
Flavor.
Yeah.
Full of flavor. Yeah.
Yeah.
The first time when the first reaping me get me test it, it never hot. It burn me a little bit and then it cool down, but we have a flavor.
Nice.
Yeah.
And do you pick these, do you harvest these when them yellow only, or you mix it?
No, me mix it. It kind of depends on who you sell it to. Because if you sell it to processor or anybody where make pepper sauce, then mostly want the ripe on them.
Mostly the
But
ripe.
if you go sell it to vendor, then I go mostly
Yeah,
want the
my
green
mixture.
one them.
So
Yeah, or
these turn-
mixture.
Yeah, sorry for cutting. Finish?
Yeah, man.
Alright. So the green ones,
Mm-hmm.
them even after you pick them automatically turn yellow same way, or
Yeah, if you pick them, what, full pepper them, right?
then we turn yellow same way.
Yeah. But oh, you know, a full one, they have a different texture to it. If
That,
you look,
that are the green full one.
yeah, all right. Let me show you one example of one full one. This one right there, so. You see it? The one you want me to want?
Mm-hmm.
You see, it kind of shinier. Let me see if I can find one in a that full. Look on the one. This not adjust the water, make it look glossy. But and then you have one little.
So like this. Yeah, teach me something to you know. So like this.
Yeah. And if you feel it, if you squeeze it, just take time squeeze it, you have one firmness to it. The younger one, them soft.
True.
So if you feel it's kind of soft, rubbery.
Okay.
But if you feel one full one like this, firm.
Firm.
Yeah.
Nice.
So you know them.
This right here is vital in our culture. When you talk about seasoning your meat, whether it be for selling or for just home cooked meals, this right here, super vital. And we're in the world right now, pepper farm, Scotch bonnet, pepper farm. Yes, man.
Right, it's about 100 and something plantains right there, so in that little area. So
And them they not ton of stone. These are actually
is that stony land?
and
But-
these are actually firm for the roots and everything. See?
Yeah, because watch this now. Pepper not really like whole heap of water upon it. Too much water upon it can drown it.
Yeah.
So this now where this in now, it not gonna retain whole heap of water, it drain out faster.
Okay.
You see me? So a good piece of land this. Right here, so in this little section here, so we dey plant some pepper. And this I did one water channel when rain fall and water run down for half of the hill here, and half of the hill here, and the channel they run. Fungus usually catch me. Me pepper root them a root out all and then something.
Wow.
Yeah. So
just in this little section, I you say about 100.
yeah, about 130 something there, so.
Wicked.
Yeah, another little section right there, so.
From planting to harvesting, how long?
1 to 3 months. But reality.
Hold on, for the incisor?
This a little pepper, you know? This a little pepper.
But
you
the
know?
big one them I will see up there.
About
From planting them in high ground to harvesting.
Alright, should be from seed
Mm-hmm.
to harvesting 3-4 months.
Wow.
Right?
That quick.
Yeah, quick, but here we know. You have things where kinda you have slow them down. Because firstly
process.
you have something that's stunt growth. So you have one part now, transplant and pepper them. If you put too much chemical upon them and burn them, it will slow the growth of pepper them. So you gotta realize say where you normally take 3 months, I probably take 6 months because you have to recover pepper them from the chemical burn for then start to grow back again. All this right there so will just not grow all 1 year stay right there. So if it's stunt, you know, and no move. Right now I have one pepper tree down in my yard where I plant out. And I plant it in the same time with them here. Them big one right there, so. And it's small like this.
Wow.
Yeah. So all me tell you is pepper delicate. Very delicate. You can't say yo, you're gonna leave it naturally and make it grow. If you do that, it's dead. Especially if you have thousands or if you have 100 or more. If you have 100 or more, you have to put chemical on it.
Probably if it was just a few then.
If you did have one few, yeah. People tell me ways methods how to do it, but me feel like the method they work for if you have few trees. Cause you have baking soda, vinegar, brown sugar. Me try all of them there. Pepper then still dead.
Them not strive.
No. But if you have one few tree, sure it can work.
Sure.
But not for 1,000.
Yeah. And you have a lot.
Yeah, me have all heap.
I have a whole heap more land for go shell out.
Yeah, me have all heap more. Me did burn, I grow back, you know.
All
Me
of
did,
the bun out.
yeah, me burn out the whole stuff for plant it out.
what's the highest cost you ever sell your I not even for sell yours, but what's the highest you ever see pepper go to?
$5,000 a pound.
$5,000 a pound.
What day when Melissa blow?
Yeah, that I was asking you leading up to that question now, you know. Did you capitalize off that super hype where pepper did upon?
Not even $1,000 I don't make off of that. None.
Bro, don't tell me that, brother, man. Jano.
After I breeze, you know.
Yeah.
When the breeze forward one day, after hurricane, pepper there 5,000. Not even one pepper went off itself. I breeze take with everything. And the price
What?
just go up sky high next 2 weeks time.
Yo.
Not even £1 we couldn't sell. Pepper scarce.
Cheese and peas. Bro, at them that time they should have some pepper for reaping.
Watch on. Then time as the man tell you, you have about 5,000 pepper root. And breeze just come through and just take away everything. And when breeze not take away, goat come through and eat the rest.
So all of these are where I look on. This is just strictly pure pepper. Pure pepper. So all of them are where I look on right now. Them are did gone.
No, this never.
Oh, them are did a nurse.
Remember me tell her say, I want to get a joke there. When the hurricane come, me just saw them in a nursery. I just have them in a nursery. And
I would say they could have moved. So you
move them, carry them, go put them in the unfinished house. And block them around.
These are where I look on.
Yeah, they're in a nursery.
Whoa.
And the hurricane come and move them. They have to take them out of the nursery and put them with something in our unfinished house and block them around. So the hurricane blow them away. But if they have thousands, the nursery blow down, the tree them blow down, everything blow down. And when we did there, I watch on news say, yo, $5,000 a pound for pepper and then something. I said, John, no star, look the one.
Yo.
I rich with the rich.
Yo. So yo, that's just crazy. That's just crazy. Yo, it just come to my mind to say, yo, me have to ask Mark this, you know. And look there, the man them not make nothing. Gaza, I did have the huge pepper farm at that time because them are still in a nursery. Yeah. I saw them bigger now, but Gaza have the pepper farm, and the whole of them gone. So the man not make nothing. That's crazy. And I probably like 2 weeks after you say, the price shoot up.
Right after I breeze.
Cheese and peas, man.
Everybody kind of get a mash up in the breeze.
Oh my
so
God.
Day, you see me?
Yeah.
So that's why it go up so much.
Yeah. Wicked.
This pepper now, you see it? This and this pepper right there are same aging. But this stunt growth. And stunt growth come from you can have whole heap of something transplanted, can get stunt growth. You have chemical burn, can get stunt growth. Fungus and almost anything can get.
Just no move none.
Just no move none at all. See, me I tell you, same age group.
Oh.
Same age. The one here probably look like, no, I break off this. Mistakenly break off the one. See the one that recover from stunt.
Oh, so them can recover.
Yeah, them can recover. You have things to make them recover. Oh. The same seaweed, fertilizer officer, can make them recover. Well, basically them make them recover still.
How has the farm changed since?
Honestly, may I tell you the truth? Normally, I just come up here. The first time I plant out pepper up here, so like one of my friends asked me if I rabbit me a feed. Me full of grass in I field. Now you can stay anywhere and see me pepper them. Yeah. Me pepper them stand out.
Wow.
Yeah,
so it changed a lot.
Yeah, it changed a lot. Me learn as me go because my spraying program been up. Me try not to miss a day out of my spraying program. If one next thing me need to tell you is that as a pepper farmer, you have pepper farmer around me too. Now, if them not take care of them pepper farm, for them infestation will come over on my farm.
Whoa.
Yeah.
I don't know that.
Yeah. Then travel.
Whoa.
Especially if the person walk to your field. That's why they tell us don't walk through people's field. You see me? So you see if me know, then on my field, do what I'm doing on my field, and going and next man pepper field, the insect them travel with me.
These are literally just as delicate as even animal.
Then say when you raise pepper, come like a baby.
Whoa.
Let me tell you, say, you can come to and look if from the end of the field, from the end there, go all the way around there, so pepper there.
Straight.
Straight.
And you can actually see them too. You can
see
turn from
them.
far
Yeah.
and see them. So
One
that is
time-
super, super good.
When me over there, so now, alright, like you'll have one section right there, so pepper there, so. Then you have one big patch. Then one next section, you see pepper. And then somebody have it over there, so. But this time, it look good.
Yeah, man.
Me just need to green up my pepper tree them and control my fungus, because I look like fungus. And me tell you, say rain, when rain fall, you carry fungus. Because this look like you have fungus.
You can just look at the leaves.
Yeah, yeah.
And
see,
even
you
the
realize
peppers
they
too.
leave them yellow. And one next sign, look on the pepper them. Pepper is smaller. See there? No pepper, not even pepper is. No blossom, no nothing.
Yeah, man.
I see one pepper, yeah? See there?
Tiny.
Tiny. See there? Leaf not even developed. So this is, I could lose this tree. This is how it might do. See how small it
Might cause
Yeah.
cause this.
So it make them get smaller. all the way. See?
Yeah, man.
Not even have enough
Not
flavor.
even flavor.
See leaf, eh?
Yeah, man.
Might suck out the sap out of the leaf. So you realize say it look dry.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. If rain fall, you can't pick pepper. Because first thing, when you pick pepper and rain fall, the life of the pepper gets shorter. Like within a day, it starts to rotten. Because the pepper, the water rotten the pepper. Between the water and the heat, it rotten the pepper. That's why if you go pick pepper in a rain time, you sell it to people where you go process it same time.
Okay.
So if I do pick pepper in a rainy time, but don't sell it to vendors. Because remember the vendors want it for at least 1 week.
Oh, nice.
But if it rain fall upon it, it not last 1 day.
Wow.
Yeah, so I have some pepper now, but I pick the other day. But I pick it yesterday I pick them. I pick them in the early morning. Rain dew, not rain dew. What they do the name?
Yeah, man,
Night dew.
night
Night dew. Night dew upon them, so water upon them. So what I do now, I carry them home and I spread them out on a little sheet of paper upon the ground. On paper upon the ground for dry them off.
Okay.
So if you don't do that, if you left them in a bag, they might rotten down one.
Must spoil.
They might spoil. They go lose.
I notice you even bottle the peppers.
Yes.
Tell me more about that. How did that even come about? I know we don't have none for show now, but we probably can show the people a few up on the screen. When just, I go pop it up on the screen and make them see what going on. But for now, how did you started that whole bottling process? And
All right.
And is it the same peppers now we are looking at all of them? Same from the farm, though?
Yeah.
All right.
All right. So firstly, me business minded. Me always I think about ways how to make money. Now, my girlfriend mother, good pan, making pepper. So I say, yo, why me couldn't just make some pepper and sell them? Because we have the pepper. We have a pepper tree them. We have pepper. So and she can make the pepper them good. So I could sell it. So and then we come hillside farming, but they say hillside farmer pepper. But my girlfriend say, yo, you have to do something for involve mother in it. So we come with Lal's hillside farmers. Lal's money Lal. So she used the last part of Lal's hillside heat. Sorry, Lal's hillside heat.
Yeah.
So the last part are the last name
Yeah.
with hillside and heat to represent the pepper.
That's how the branding.
Yeah, that type branding come about.
But originally, what you say, mother-in-law, right?
Yes.
She's the original. She basically create that recipe.
Yes,
Nice,
and she created
nice.
a recipe.
And that recipe I like. You would say like traditional recipe from back in the days.
Traditional recipe.
You say mother-in-law, you know, we know.
Yeah, know.
She a long time lady them, you know, we know them thing, you know.
Yeah, they know them spice.
Yeah, know them spice. Oh, wow.
Yeah, so she come with.
How did that go though? How did the whole, you know, the process of the selling and all of that? How that go on?
It's slow. So basically what we have to do right now is done to order. So if somebody come and say they want one or 2 buckle, she do it and we sell them. It's not it not sell as fast as because within our community, well within our area where everybody know if make
yeah, makes
have
sense.
them one pepper sauce. So
True.
if you know they're like one tourist area in a place like that,
True. Out of town.
out of town.
True,
Me did got one point where me did start and market it. We create one Instagram page everything and made a market it for try to get hotels, people in hotels to sell it for we and then something. But it never work out. One man did just sell it for me to tourists at $20, 20 US.
A buckle.
A buckle. Yeah. And one sale we get off of that, from that it just go down hill there. So I don't know
But you
probably
still
for
do it as
market.
well, so
Yeah, we
it's
still
just
do
down
it.
to order.
Yeah, down
Alright.
to order.
But how long that process take though? From somebody, if somebody order, say for instance, somebody call you now and say they want a buckle. No.
No.
How long that process would that take?
Alright. So
to get that
if we have we always have pepper for one, but we are gonna need other ingredients. So if the ingredients are there, yeah, I can chop it. So if the ingredients are there, it take like 10-15 minutes to make it. Yeah.
Just simple as that.
Yeah, if
So
I'm the
then-
one bottle.
Okay.
So,
for
but-
one bottle,
yeah.
yeah man, exactly, yeah man. So but as easy as that.
Yeah, easy.
Okay,
Easy.
okay.
Easy.
What are some of the ingredients? I
Me can't tell you the secret. But, watch out, me can't give the
Nah, give the
secret.
secret.
Not even me don't know the secret.
Oh, alright.
Yeah, not even me
So
don't know
make
the
it stay
secret.
right there.
You make it stay
Make
right
it
there.
stay right there. That's mother-in-law.
Yeah,
secret.
mother-in-law secret. Me
Yeah.
can't give the secret.
Alright.
She not tell me.
Who are some of your customers?
Jerk. The Jerk Center them.
No, some of your main customers.
Yeah, main customer at Jerk Center.
Oh, nice. Because that's this order right now in this field. This is one of the main ingredients for jerk.
Yeah, main ingredient. Main ingredient.
Main
If
ingredient.
without this you can't jerk.
Yeah. Without
this,
that
yeah.
spice, that pepper,
Yeah.
especially that scotch. No other pepper.
No.
No
Yeah,
other pepper. It have to be scotch on it.
No.
No jalapeno and nothing like that. It have to be scotchy, man.
Yeah, for the flavor.
Not
But
even about pepper.
no, but you know,
Scotchy
Well, I see both pepper still. You know, they have a nice flavor.
flavor. Yeah, but never hear them use in a jerk it.
no, then use, may I tell you something, you have some jerk place where want the red pepper. Because
red
red
one.
one hotter.
Is that scotch bonnet also?
No, West Indian red. No, one West Indian red. West Indian red.
And
Yeah.
that plant out there.
Yeah, you out there, man. You have
Okay.
farmer who plant strictly West Indian red. But most people want Scotch bonnet.
Scotch bonnet.
Yeah.
So,
I have my pepper for about 3 different breed of pepper I have.
oh, Zin.
I have a brown one.
Oh, that brown pepper.
Yeah, brown one hot.
Whoa.
That hot.
Super.
But
Yeah.
I
Super
have this
hot.
spice like the scotchy.
Yeah,
Scotch-
the
Scotch
scotch
is
have that
like-
flavor
Yeah,
and,
Scotch
and
is
mixed with the spice
Yeah.
also.
It's a different flavor.
Yeah,
than
man.
the scotchy.
Scotch bonnet.
But as we
The one
say,
hot and the scotchy, what me I tell you about the brown one.
yeah, the brown one hot.
Hotter.
Super hot, man. But as I say, mainly the jerk
Mainly
spots.
jerk spot.
centers.
I mainly target the jerk spot
Mm.
because when you sell the jerk spot, then buy a lot. And as me say, at certain time, the pepper then start to get smaller. Over reaping and reaping, then start to get smaller. When you supply to the last month, when we supply to the jerk spot, them no specialize in if them big or
Size,
them small.
yeah.
Yeah.
Just want them
Them just want them
pound,
pepper.
yeah, them just
No,
want-
if you sell to the vendor them now, you gotta realize say yo, them buy cheaper than the vendors them, but them a buy whole heap and then now come, yeah, them a buy bulk and then now go tell us say, yo, them are too small, they don't want them or anything like that. Them a take everything.
True.
You see me? And them buy every week. And them majority of them, yeah man. Majority of them, them give you money. As they carry the paper come, they give you money.
Instantly. Wow.
Vendors give story.
What's the highest amount of oh, that's it. The biggest amount of pepper you've ever sold to one jerk center. Like the heaviest bag. How much pound?
One bag?
Yeah.
No, how much pound you sell?
Sell like once.
80 pound.
80
To
pound of
one
pepper?
person.
80 pound of pepper?
To one person. How much?
A
How
whole
much?
whole pepper that, no?
Yeah, whole heap of paper. 2 bag.
I carry 200 pounds.
Him carry 200 pound.
9 pounds. One spot is.
Gaza do 200 pound. To one smarty?
No, I never want.
Oh, okay.
Different spot to buy.
Alright,
Oh.
the other day, me go link one of the jerk people and I said to them, ask them, tell them say me have 40 pound of pepper. And then tell me I have my pepper. Because them say when them a buy pepper, 200 pound and then something them a buy.
So what about other restaurants?
Rest-
Different from jerk centers.
Yeah, me sell to restaurant, but
Sell
restaurants I buy like 3 pound.
Yeah.
And them something. Them I buy a little bit. So
Yeah.
me not really.
That spice there, if pepper, I just feel like a curry goat.
Yeah, you see it. Yeah.
Yeah. And thing, but yeah, man. So jerk centers mainly your biggest
Biggest buyers, yeah.
What about in the community? Everybody plant. Oh, nobody buy pepper in that.
No, you don't have only a pepper farmer in the community. The community
But
buy
people
pepper.
still,
Yeah, some
one
people
or
buy
few. Yeah,
pepper
yeah.
from you. You have a local jerk. You have 2 local jerk
Street
man,
vendors too.
in the community.
Them buy it too.
Yeah, them buy.
Yeah.
Them buy. Well,
That's the vibe.
yeah, them buy. But
Man.
mostly at the jerk center them
Yeah, man.
buy from you. Them buy a lot. And them buy every week. It's just that you have to catch them point in time.
But your aim is to reach far away.
1,000 pound. At least 1,000 pound. That's the aim.
And them they forgot to like some big companies.
Yeah, because
like,
when I get 1,000 pound, I can't go sell 1,000 pound over here, so no.
Yeah.
We can't sell 1,000 pound over here, so because
Grace link up.
yeah, Grace link up. Me have something. Me have one processor where me and him link, communicate everything. But here I know, me not even linking back again. Cause every minute me linking back, when the pepper them fi come, something happen.
Yeah.
The last time I link him, hurricane come and blow down everything.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
And him saying buy like at least 1,000 pound.
Wow.
One time, and every week him buy.
Wow.
Yeah, and then every time we feel like reaches up, something always come up.
Something always
Yeah.
pop up. But bro, aim is to reach the big companies. Them, you know, what always I got pepper for the jerk people. Them.
You can't left out the people.
Can't left them out because those are roots, those are culture. Them they are traditional spots in Jamaica, so them need the peppers. But really and truly, the aim as well I say is to reach some
big company.
Start export those peppers. Yo, all pepper. Yo, just there on a pepper farm. Yo, this is amazing, Bridging. How long now you plant peppers, by the way?
4 years. 4 years. And for the 4 years,
Yo.
the 4 years I lead up to learning. Me not reach which I'm gonna reach, it's just a learning process.
Yeah, you overripe this. See?
When I overripe?
You realize how it's
Orange it look?
orange it look?
So this one marks the overripe. Yo, but this looks super shiny and looks so good, man.
The, what you call that?
Wow. Another one right there. Another one right here. Lone pepper. Hey, where that's bro?
The contrast of the pepper. Pretty. Rich.
Yeah, man.
So with that now, I see I'm see more to see them now. So when me do now, because me expand as me say, me have my house me have like 2,003. Not 2,003, sorry, me not say 2,000. Me can hold up to 2,000. No, 4,000, sorry. 4,000. Not 3.
Seeds.
Yeah. So me do now, me go through now, me pick the bigger pepper them, the ripe one them, cut them out, and use the seed them to supply back me field.
Okay.
So and the pepper them when me cut out, use them pepper there to make the pepper sauce.
So okay. So you not buy seed none at all.
No, because the first time I do it, I buy seed. I buy seed from one company in St. Mary. I never call it name. But when I buy the seed, I say original Scotch bonnet. Buy them, plant out to all over so with pepper. So when them beer, we get different pepper.
Different
I
varieties.
bust about 1 tree in I feel I did Scotch bonnet.
What?
Everything else a different variety.
What?
Yeah. So
So you lose from that?
Or
not really?
Still, but may I say because when company I say them I buy Scotch bonnet, I strictly Scotch bonnet
them want. Yeah.
So now him go tell me say
Yeah. It wasn't.
Other something. So I remember me tell you from beginning going at this, the aim I did for sell to the big company.
Bigger companies, yeah.
And big company.
You
they
can't
want
go
Scotch
wrong,
bonnet.
you know. Can't go wrong with them, you know.
No,
Yeah. If a scotchy you sell them, it have to be scotchy.
Have to be Scotch.
Yeah.
Yeah. Say you got to tell them £1,000, them I look for £1,000 from you.
True.
Each week. Anything you come to agreement with them with, that them want from you each week.
True.
Yeah. That's not keen make this man.
The leaf?
Yeah.
Them, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, them.
Yeah man, right there man. That's not kiss your way man.
It's lucky.
Ah, yeah, good now man.
Blow! Yo! Jeez and peas!
You wanna go through the field of weed and then they touch them one.
Yo, just that 1 second there. I pull off some sting.
Then I up here right now, weed, and by the time man say, yo, sit now, shot me. Then I get realize I coach man, I just have him a jaw about saying, I'm just say man under fire.
Yo, that one little touch so I got us. Yo. And the thing is, this plant, it actually look like a callaloo, you know. If you don't look on it good, you know. Watch out, man. Jeez and peas thing I catch me, you know. Yeah, man. See there? Look like a callaloo. This a sting. It's a sting to rat it. Yo. Wicked. Wicked. A different variety of courage. Yeah. Jamaicans call it courage.
Yeah. Courage.
Courage.
You call it courage?
Yeah. Courage too.
Probably.
But a courage. Yeah. But
Yeah, but
yo, this yo come like it get worse. I show me and I sweat. Blow. Yo. Wicked. Yeah man, courage in a play.
You want to know how wicked this thing? More time in I something.
See it there? I eat this man. Yeah, just look on the leaf there, man. You gotta just look on even the side of the tree right here. It look like a callaloo for real, you know, man. That crutch out on backside. Yeah man. That's the most satisfying part of how you do.
Sow the pepper them. Nursery, the nursery. The nursery for
real?
Swear to God. No, sir. Him say collect him money.
Collect your money here, boy.
It's nice, it's part time.
Yeah, I never expect the answer there still.
You need to expect the answer there.
Just say if it's so.
Yeah, if you sow the pepper and watch the pepper them grow from baby stage to this right there, sir. Yo, I'm more satisfying part time if you tell if you just say yo, at this me do.
Wow.
You see it?
Yeah. And it's a blossom though.
Yeah, bro. Them a blossom. So this is our next set I go come up here now.
Yeah man.
This
how old is this? Well up on right
now. This are going at 3 months. 3 months. Yeah.
3 months. Okay.
3 months. Remember now from seed to blossom at 3 months.
Okay.
Yeah.
Gotcha. Nice.
Yeah man, brother, if you see, you plant a seed them.
Like you grow youth.
Like you grow youth.
Wow, from that stage too.
You know something I really like a reaping part, I say, yeah, I not like a reaping part.
Wow.
Yeah man. No, like the reaping part are the most hardest part of the field for me. You have to reap pepper them are the most hardest part because you have to, especially when they're slow, you have to bend down and look up underneath them to find the pepper and then something. You have to take time and deal with them because they don't have to break the limb them and then something.
Reap.
I'm near my port ring and say, yo,
want some pepper?
you don't want 200 pound of pepper though. I'm saying, wait, I'm on in. How much a pound?
No. If you go sell the pepper them nice, no? But for reap it hard, that's where the hardest part. Miss then I son all day chop through field and then someday. No, sir, the chop through pepper. And if you spray the grass them, me go out there, my marketing skills. Me not have a problem if you go out there, go look sale for me pepper them. Yeah, man. Yeah, me not have a problem, man. Me go there, man. If me not have something, me not have a shame face when you come on to that. Yeah, me can say, yeah, me marketing. Me not telling a lie. The hungry thing, the hardest, one pepper there, sir. The hardest part I fish sell are the pepper sauce. That are the hungry thing. Yeah, just the sauce. Jelly.
And that's because even the area.
The area where me in, yeah.
In a mainly.
Because me see other people I sell sauce and then something, and them say them like them say they don't have hand for sell sauce.
Yeah.
You see it? But the area where me now,
everybody can do that.
Everybody can do it.
So farming running in the family?
In my family?
Yeah.
No man, my family are teachers, yeah.
So hold on, so let me ask you something. Are you the first farmer outside of your family?
As I said, my grandfather and my father did farmer, but no serious. Me are the most serious farmer out everybody. My father usually do it as fun and punishment.
Yeah.
As a mean
so
of
in
punishment.
modern times, you're basically on top of the chart when it comes to farming inside your family. In a modern times, no.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Me that's it, yeah.
Yeah.
Me as farming as a business. Yeah. Cause my mother they still do them little backyard farming and something. You know. My mother do her little backyard farming.
Okay.
Me have an uncle where do little farming too. But as a business, if you take it as a business, yeah man, me that's say, yeah.
Were you born in this side of the area? Same place as
No, me born in Poland, Port Antonio. Me 5 minutes out of Port Antonio.
Yeah.
Born in our community named Breastwork.
This is a sucker right here. Is a plantain sucker right from the tree there. That shoot just now. So you know say yeah, shorty plantain. So the tree is super short. Super short. Probably all when that plantain ready to push over it almost one touch all ground. Yeah man. So this is a sucker. Yo, wicked. And this is a sucker right here. So this is a plant that survive up in the hills here. Lone peppers. Yeah man. And Dasheen.
So you see this now? This is breaking down tree stump.
Yeah.
So I use this in my nursery. If you look, you see it say it loose.
Yeah.
So the root them, your pepper root them can spread through them easily. No bone and plus it rich now nutrients.
Yeah. And these just break down naturally.
Yeah, naturally.
Wow.
See there? Tree.
And this is a tree. Wow.
Tree
See
stump.
there? Yeah man.
Break down.
Yeah man.
Well, fine and nice. You feel I feel?
Oh yeah. Yeah man. Yeah man. See all of them bugs and worms and things they want to see in this. Yeah man, of them they break down everything. See there? Yeah man.
One there, sir. One there right there, sir.
Great Gaza. Money I chop from the one to use 2 and 4 cutlass you know. From you have to use the 2 and 4 like, a long time they them there no? A long time they style them when you're young that man. Yeah, see that? Yeah, man. Yeah. Yeah.
Have you do something, raise chicken, goat, something.
Yeah. That's the vibe of the whole community.
Majority of people farming. You see it? Have to do something.
True.
Big man thing. So, I come now this.
Yo, yeah, go buy no back and mash it, yeah.
Yeah, man. This is now, the best thing I come here. I usually farm a best here, but you have 1 and 2 farmers. In this now, you have one of farmer. As I say, if you want to be a businessman, go around business people. So if you want to be one farmer or successful as farming, go around farmer.
True. Yeah. Pepper load up here now.
Just let me pick a few pepper. Full on hard, is it?
Yeah. How old these trees are? What you picture?
3 to 4 months. No, lie. Them 3 are about 6 months.
Okay. So
Them 3 are about 6
you
months.
reap off of them a few times then?
Yeah, me reap off of them here. These are like about 6 or so. Reap.
So hold on, you reap them and then blossom again and be.
Yeah, see blossom.
Okay.
Blossom.
So it never stop blossom.
See blossom.
Basically.
Yes, so once you have a healthy tree, it will always a blossom.
Yeah.
Always have pepper.
So you always have pepper.
When you have a healthy tree, you pick pepper every week.
Every week.
Yeah. But the thing about it, what me like to do is that me pick the more riper one them. So when me come back again I feel me have pepper.
True.
Me have ripe pepper.
Yeah.
But see there, worm and then something there. Attack you feel. If I know one thing and next thing, you always have to have something in the field. You can never have one clean field.
True.
Something always are going on. No matter how you spray, you keep a program on and something. I see that, watch out. Look on the snail.
Oh. Always I got some form of insect.
Something always I go do there.
Yeah.
No, the reason why I don't like pick pepper are because it time consuming and it take a heap of focus.
What?
Yeah, but if you search through the tree them and the leaf on them, something, see what you? See?
Yeah, man.
Every time you have to go under the tree, them I look up. When my friend them a pick, when we reach half bag, them almost reach. For them bag almost full. Nico, Gaza pick them, see what I do there? Pick them and put in their shirt. Yeah. Remember in the night front, in Bailey could have hold the machete. You know what, it's still night. Well experienced. When you pick, you try to get the stem them off of the tree. Don't leave the stem them on the tree because if you leave the stem them on the tree, it'll go. The tree still like a thing say. You have one fruit, yeah. So it'll go focus the energy on that.
Yeah.
Makes
sense.
So you try to take off the stem them.
Quality. Wow.
Monster pepper there, bro. And you know how wicked this thing? The camera not show the. You have to like, if you see size.
Yeah.
You have to see it. You
Yeah,
see it? Hey, me say when you pick pepper, when me there and go through me field and see where me I come from and when me there now, tell us more time I have to sit down and just give myself a clap.
Amazing.
Yeah, bro. Me I tell you, I swear. See that me watching not even good for me GoPro. You know? You want to see? I see something there. When you pick them so, have them in your shirt. When you load up your back, when you load up your pan, you're almost fully.
Almost
That's
fully.
it, yeah.
Yeah, man.
Guys,
It's basically half already.
yeah.
No, even though I say when me a pick, you know.
When guys are
When
picking.
under the shirt I'm wear. I have a mesh marine I'm wear. But catch me down here, so.
And that's stretching over there.
A 20 pound I hold in that daddy or 15 pound.
Yeah. One go. Because a bag take what, 40 pound? Can go up to 50 pound. Yeah, you see beauty of them, but watch out. Snail do them something.
But the sheen upon them.
Yeah, you see sheen upon them.
Sheen, yo, these fat still, you know. The camera now does not justice, you know,
I
man.
mean, I tell you, camera not do it no
Just look
justice,
on
bro.
the side. Just look on my hand to the actual pepper.
Camera not do it no justice for you.
Nah, do it no justice.
Oh, number one and I have to go and do that.
Oh man, that good.
Pepper them pretty daddy.
Yo.
Come on. Quality up. See there? Because the ripe one then see about all if I green on there.
So ripe one here, so.
By a couple days time again, pepper ready.
Yeah, couple days time again, pepper ready.
I don't feel them like Mark, I just look on them.
Yeah.
I know say them pepper are ready.
Ready. Yeah.
I got most of their 5 size.
Yes, I guys are the fully experienced pepper farmer.
We just all around now. So when you come on to farming,
Yeah.
I mean that.
True.
Anything we touch.
Well, I just kneel down in some couch a while ago. And remember, Mark also have him channel, his YouTube channel going on. Really good also. Wanna definitely go for this to go check out him channel. Hillside Farmers. Find this tons of peppers. Hillside Farmers. Whoa. How easy is that, man? The bucket full basically, man?
Yeah, I just pick off and done.
Yeah, man. So I'll pin his channel link in the description so you can go over there go check out. Check out videos.
Down the road. Go down to Dasheen farm.
Oh, one touch.
Spray out the Dasheen them chemical. Spray the fly them and something off of the Dasheen.
So one touch even that Dasheen farm also. Crazy vibes, crazy harvesting, crazy journey up in the hills and crazy experience for the on this pepper farm. Yeah, man. So I'll pin the link to to bro channel in the description. So no, if you want a member, anybody in a Portland and want to check out, you want pepper, or know who for link, I'll definitely leave his info in the description. And you can link him anywhere at all under there. Just reach out.
Anyway,
Yeah, man.
I'll knock sir to send pepper pan, man.
Eh?
I'll knock sir to send pepper pan.
I'll not, sir.
I'll knock sir. At first, me do it still. I'm going to let me pan say want some pepper and ship them pan knock sir.
How far out in there?
Kingston.
Kingston?
Yeah.
Okay.
And
Nice.
the good thing about it is that knock sir have AC, so in the pepper they
Pepper them, yeah.
Now let's just.
Get to see them from it.
No, not show this one. This one.
Okay. Okay.
Let's put it in the bag.
By weekend again, me can pick pepper again.
By weekend.
Yeah, but me I try to make sure me take off the ripe one.
The riper
Take
ones.
off the riper ones. Them are going overripe. So by the time I come back and reap again, then I go.
So this weigh how much? About how much? About 10 pounds,
It's
you
about
say?
10 pounds. Right. This is about 10 pounds, you see me?
Yo, wicked vibes. Quality, man. Oh,
They
man.
say, I don't know how to chew it, but then say you want to palm your finger them. And you can't go through it. So that's about this. I don't want to export upon this.
Look them, man. Big in the man. Oh, God.
Hey, you want to lock up all your car with them?
Rank.
What? Needs from now to a morning. Quality boy.
So, just finish harvesting some peppers. We're going to head down upon the Dasheen farm right now. I don't know the vibes up in the hills. Thumbs up. Yo, amazing community. First time up here. Cool it on.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah,
See if
man.
you can still do the
Crazy
voice.
vibes. Nice one, yes. So. Nice guava. Yeah, man. In the hills, yeah, man. Food on the land. Food and fruit. Yeah, man. Have to survive. Pink guava too, you know, man. Sweet like a sugar. You see it's small and pink. Sour. Oh, what do you guys beat me enough? With the bag of sweat them when I bust up on the hill in that last video with Jamar, the farmer. But I'm telling you, it's not an easy thing. Right now, way up in the hills, it's like almost like that same journey that I did the other day. But I'm telling you, it was the first for me for going up on that hill. So it wasn't an easy task. So being new to the journey, new to that steep hill and everything, of course, and then the sun did come out in the morning. Yeah, man, you gotta bust sweat, man. Definitely going to bust some sweat, but as I'm say, crazy vibes. Yeah, man. Dasheen, man, look there.
Enjoy them.
So them are ready? Whoa. When you leave them yellow, them time they notice it. All of you cheap, you know, if you drop off a sap, you're rolling, go straight down yonder. Yeah, man. Crazy vibes in the hill. General Mark, yeah. Remember to check out him channel. Yeah, man. Whoa. Right now, we're then planting farm, reach bound back on the Dasheen farm, which is this is original Gaza farm, just pure Dasheen as you say. And tons of planting. And bro, so give me the nuts for cut that one then. Yeah, man, so I got chop up planting right now. You see what I go on. Puffing at the hills again. On top of plant.
I just draw the machine, man.
Yeah, man. Yes, man. Yeah, man, this well full up. Yeah, man. Yeah. What's that? This a feed? Wow. After so long, man. Look on that, man.
After breeze mash up the plant, then it'll be a bigger.
Nice, man.
Yo, nice, man.
This a goal, you know, bro.
Then I must, man.
A goal
Oh,
is,
God, man. Respect to the general. Guys, I see but I juke up some more jelly there. Coconut. I will have one right there so you have the water run out of this super cool. Yeah, man.
Refreshing, eh?
Freshin'. Yeah, man.
Yeah, guys, open, eh? Hey, me say you want to be a country, man. You can't, so you can't get
Oh.
you can't get the
Oh my God. Coolness for days, man. So the money at the aisle.
People
Coconut.
must say the boy I agree, you see, man.
Oh, no, you chop it for
Because
your
ground big.
I chop it for the food. And this is a native, I say. Good for the rice and peas pot. Mm-hmm. Yeah, man.
Yeah. Nice, dry native, you know?
Yeah, man. Respect. Give her thanks.
If I'm alone there, I know I just broke that and start eating.
Right away.
It fall off and if half a ground, same place.
Hey guys, are easy, you know what? Nice native. You know the way up in the hills. Yeah, man.
Dasheen high, you know, man.
This is a lime tree right here. Super strong. It's a traditional drink here in Jamaica, especially up on the Sunday them man when cook some food and I even if I run a bush. This is ideal. Throw some sugar in that. Mix that around, chop piece of ice in that, and you're gonna lead.
When I
Yeah,
come from the
man.
farm, I just have sugar in my bag. 1 pound of sugar.
Which na
Yeah,
vitamin
man.
C.
I mean,
Yeah.
I have ice and sitting more time. I just mix
Yeah,
some
man.
lemonade.
Amazing.
Love the health. Rich in vitamin C. Build up immune system.
See it, man. Ah, respect. Respect, man. I was on the top till him reach it. Look there. Yo.
Yo,
Crazy vibes.
The camera now give you just
Yeah, man.
bro.
True.
Champion. Watch the size of that, bro.
Susumba.
One spray.
Yeah,
So
man.
much.
That's what's up, bro.
So you eat Susumba?
Nice,
Gaza?
man.
Na rice
Yeah.
and-
Them are nice.
Yeah.
Them are bitter sitting here.
You're right, yo.
So I learned from my grandmother give me this man. Could you get me eat it?
People eat it too. Other people them.
then cook.
Boy, then love it with saltfish.
That movie they say you just want to saltfish with that.
Cheese and peas is still bitter same way, man. Yo. But
Can't get me now, eh?
them are them thing here. Grandparents them grew up on. I have some lime here.
Get
Nah,
him,
bush, yeah.
get him.
Crazy vibes.
Come on.
And baby that man.
Cocoa, dasheen, lime, pumpkin. Full, flavorful, scotchy. And some nice plantain.
Hey, me say yo. You're not taking it. Eh?
Pulling up some nice, fresh spring water right now. Straight from up in the mountains. Yeah man, straight from up in the mountains. It's just pure spring water, refreshing and nice.
Drink the water in our food, see? Very full. You tell the man.
Wow.
You drink the water in our food to eat. Very full.
Whew. Oh man. We have to go bring in some of this. Oh. Finish load him up. Wow. That's a vibe. Crystal clear spring water. Straight from out of the mountains. Yeah man, straight from up in the mountains. This I go in, go cool down and drink again. Want to know the vibe? Big respect to Mark over there, so.
Yeah, big up yourself, you know.
General in the hills, you know.
They want you to live long.
Yeah man, great guys are the right, so.
Last week when funeral go on at times up there, man, we did 104. Yeah.
Wow.
They water here, you know?
Them water, yeah. Amazing vibes.
And them are something too.
Yeah, natural. Yeah man.